In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money to Binance from bank account. So in order to do that, once you're on your home screen, at the top left, click on the menu icon. And then you're going to scroll down and click on more services. And then you're going to look for deposit fiat, or you can just search for it and then click on it. Once you do that, just go ahead and click on continue to pay with P2P trading. So when you're here on P2P trading, you're just going to go ahead and select the currency you like to use right up here. For me, I have US dollars, and then make sure you are on the buy tab. You select a coin right here. So let's just select USDT. And then you're just going to buy one that accepts bank transfer. So let's go ahead and buy this one right here. So we are just going to go ahead and enter the amount of money we are trying to deposit, either by currency or by coin. So we are going to enter by currency. Let's say we are trying to deposit $1,000. So you just enter 1,000 right here. And then you're just going to go ahead to select payment method. And as you can see here, we have bank transfer. You're just going to click on bank transfer and then click on place order. And then you're going to be able to deposit some money into your Binance account through bank transfer.